Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to request a refund on AliExpress. Open AliExpress on your device and go to your account at the bottom right corner of your screen and go to My Orders section right here. And here you need to find order that you want to get your refund for, and simply tap on it to open its details, and it should look like this. So this is order details page. So what you want to do is open a dispute. So find this button and press it, which will redirect you to this open dispute page. So you need to fill in this form. First of all, pick one option out of two. The first option is refund only, in case if you want to keep your item and partially get your money back. And the second option, refund and return item, when you want to send your order back and get full refund for that. Then you should select a dispute reason. Simply tap this arrow and this will expose you list of reasons. So simply tap on one, and then you should enter refund amount. So enter full amount of that item if your order didn't arrive at all, or you can enter partial refund amount in case your item arrived but it's damaged, wrong, or not as described. And then you should explain why you're requesting your refund. So in this box you should in details explain your issue, your problem, and in the very end you should upload some evidence. So upload some pictures, videos, maybe screenshots, whatever that will prove your request. And do not forget to submit your request by pressing this red submit button. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.